Welcome to Techno Tips by Technoscope. My name is Ramsey Musgrove and I'll be your host. In this video, I'll show you how to take an image file and burn or write the image to a flash drive, SD card, or other storage format. To do this, you will need the storage medium you will use. Often this is a simple flash drive, or in the case of something like a Raspberry Pi, a micro SD card. If you're burning an SD or micro SD card, you will need a card reader. Links to purchase everything you will need to perform these steps can be found in the video description. Next, we will need to obtain the image file you want to burn. In our example, we will be using Ubuntu Desktop 24.04 LTS. Then we will be using balenaEtcher to burn the image to a flash drive. To begin, we need to navigate to the Ubuntu website at ubuntu.com and download the image file from the website's download section. So on the website, you want to go to the top where it says products at the top. Then you will click that and go to where it says Ubuntu Desktop. On the screen, you'll click download Ubuntu Desktop. And because we are using a AMD or Intel CPU, we will be downloading the Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture download file. After the save window opens, download and save the file to some location in your download folder. Now that we have the image file, you will need to download balenaEtcher to burn the image to our flash drive. So we'll do that by visiting their website at etcher.balena.io. On the screen, we'll click download Etcher. And we are using Windows 64, so we'll use this first one here. And in this particular case, we'll just save it in the same folder as the Ubuntu ISO, but you can download it and save it anywhere you want to. So the next thing we will do is run the setup to go ahead and install balenaEtcher. When Balena first opens, you're presented with three options. You can flash from a file, you can flash from a URL, or you can clone a drive. In our particular case, we'll be flashing from a file. So we'll click flash from file and we'll find the Ubuntu ISO that we already downloaded. Next, you'll select your target. And this is the part of the video when I warn you about reusing flash storage. Everything on your flash storage or drive will be erased forever and lost. If you are reusing a flash drive, storage, SD card, whatever it may be, please double check the drive for files and save anything that you need to a different location. The moment you do this, everything will be lost. Proceed will select the target. And in our particular case, we're going to be using this 32 gig Mushkin flash drive. And then we'll just hit flash and we'll let the system proceed to flash the drive. Worry about these errors that come up. Don't worry about these errors that pop up. The reason that you see those is because the resulting flash drive was created to be read by Linux and not Windows. They're not compatible, but balenaEtcher will still write the image file to a drive, and it doesn't matter if it's designed to be used on Linux or whatever. As long as you have the image file and the drive can be seen by Windows, it will write it for you. Did you get all that? Now you're in the know. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and scope out the next video by Technoscope.